In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up position tracking so you can monitor your keyword rankings and track performance over time. First, let's navigate to the Projects section from your main dashboard. If you've already created a project for your website, go ahead and select it from this list. Once you're in your project dashboard, you'll want to find and click on the Position Tracking tool. Now, click on the Settings icon and choose the Tracked Keywords option to add the terms you want to monitor. Here's where you'll enter your keywords. You can type them in one by one, or if you have a lot to add, just upload a CSV file with your complete list. Next, you'll need to choose your target location. Pick the country where you want to track rankings, and if you need more precision, you can even narrow it down to specific regions or cities. You'll also want to decide which devices to track. You can monitor desktop results, mobile results, or both, depending on your needs. Before we finish, take a moment to review everything. Make sure your keywords, search engines, and location settings all look correct. And here's your position tracking dashboard. You'll see your current keyword rankings, how they've changed over time, and other helpful metrics to track your SEO performance. That's all there is to it. You're now set up to track your keyword positions and monitor your search performance.